Hi, my name is Ethan Garner, representing Champion Homes of Texas. Today I'd like to show you the Titan Extreme series built in Athens, Texas. First, let's show you the exterior. Every Titan Extreme home gives an incredible appearance with its included 50-year LP smart siding and 25-year shingle roof. This farmhouse-style exterior includes a board and batten vertical siding, an open gable, and stellar Galvalume metal window awnings. This is a great combo to give texture to the exterior of the home. With 8.5-foot sidewalls, 2x8 floor joist, and 2x4 exterior sidewalls, spaced every 16 inches on center, Titan Extreme homes are built to exceed industry standards. Being fully wrapped in insulation combined with Kinrow dual-pane thermal windows and vented eaves, your new home will be energy efficient to help you save money each month. The 36-inch steel front door includes a deadbolt, peephole, and storm door for security, while its size provides ease of access for appliances, furniture, or in the case that a person is mobility impaired, a wheelchair. This Titan Extreme farmhouse exterior shows our included 50-year LP smart siding, a unique gable, and 29-gauge Galvalume metal roof. Our Titan Extreme series offers vast design capability through exterior siding options, roofing options, and colors that will help make your home truly unique. Being comfortable in your home is important, so let's sit back, relax, and talk about the ways that Champion makes your living space more enjoyable. As we walk through the 36-inch steel front door into the heart of the home, or the living room, you have a great line of sight into this open floor plan, and you will notice the 1/2-inch drywall that is included throughout the home and the beveled crown molding, door, and window casing. The Kinrow dual-pane thermal windows provide a large amount of natural light, and they include a subtle tint allowing less UV rays into your home to help with energy efficiency. The 8.5-foot sidewalls give great volume to this home, and the tray ceiling with unique wood beams create a dynamic living space. The modern 3-blade ceiling fan has different speed settings and can be controlled from the wall switch conveniently located by the front door. Every Titan Extreme home includes LED lighting throughout and HVAC vents in the ceiling. The LED lights are easier to maintain, put off less amounts of heat, and help with energy efficiency in comparison to traditional light bulbs. To continue the farmhouse look from the exterior, this home showcases a beautiful shiplap accent wall that can serve as an additional focal point in your living room. The Titan Extreme series puts emphasis on large living areas so that you will never feel as if you don't have enough space. Being comfortable in your home doesn't stop in the living room. The Titan Extreme series includes a multifunctional island, large dining area, and a spacious kitchen. This farmhouse-style kitchen is perfect for you and your family. The bright white cabinets are clean and vibrant, while unique wood accents and subtle black tones provide a pop of color. For a more contemporary or traditional kitchen look, we offer an array of cabinet, countertop, and backsplash colors that will surely give you the look you desire. The butcher's block island with a built-in USB port and dedicated bar stool area is an integral part to this kitchen, providing space to prep meals, entertain guests, or even help your kids with schoolwork. Outfitted with Whirlpool appliances available in black, white, or stainless steel, every Titan Extreme kitchen is ready to help bring out the chef in you. The stainless steel deep farmhouse sink with a spring pull faucet complements the accents throughout the kitchen. Titan Extreme homes include a formal dining that is directly located off the kitchen, and a large window helps to blend the natural light from the living room. With a dining room this size, worrying about having enough space for your family or guests will never be an issue. There is nothing better than coming home after a great day to unwind in your master bedroom suite and everyday spot. This incredible master bedroom suite is spacious enough for a king bed plus furniture to complete your space. The natural light adds warmth to the room to help you unwind, and the modern 3-blade ceiling fan helps to keep you cool and comfortable. Titan Extreme homes include a walk-in closet, and in some cases, his and hers closets, all with shelving and/or built-in cabinetry to store your necessities. This everyday spa includes a large vanity complete with a linen stack, dual china sinks, metal faucets, and a large framed mirror. The 72-inch soaker tub gives you an incredible place to relax and get away for a moment. The 60-inch one-piece fiberglass shower with a raised shower head is spacious and includes corner seats to give you a place to store toiletries. Each master bathroom in our Titan Extreme series is unique, and we offer a multitude of configurations, including separate tubs and showers, soaker tubs, freestanding tubs, fiberglass showers, or tile showers.